Viewers, welcome to the course of Fundamentals of Microbiology. In this lecture, we will discuss about difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. The term prokaryotes means pre-nucleus. Prokaryotes are microscopic single-celled organisms which have neither a distinct nucleus with a membrane nor other specialized organelles. Examples of prokaryotes include bacteria, archaea, cyanobacteria, and blue-green algae. Eukaryotes. The term eukaryotes is derived from two Greek words. First one is eu mean well or true and other is karyon mean nucleus. The term eukaryotes means cells with true nucleus. Eukaryotes are the organisms that possess a well-defined nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Example of eukaryote include fungi, algae other than blue-green, protozoa and slime molds. Here is the diagram of eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cell there is a well-defined nucleus while in prokaryotic cell there is no well-defined nucleus. Methods of replication. Prokaryotic cells replicate by binary fission. This diagram shows the complete process of binary fission. Eukaryotic cells replicate by mitosis, meiosis and budding. Plants and animal cells replicate by mitosis and meiosis while fungal cells replicate by budding. Size of ribosome. Prokaryotic cells have 70s ribosomes. Large subunit of this ribosome is 50s subunit, while the small subunit of this ribosome is 30s ribosome. Eukaryotic cells have 80s ribosomes. Its large subunit is 60s, while the small subunit of eukaryotic ribosome is 40s. Cell wall. Prokaryotic cells have cell wall composed of peptidoglycan and muramic acid, while mycoplasma is wall-less bacteria. Some of the eukaryotic cell contain cell wall like plants and fungal cell, while others like animal cells do not contain cell wall. Cellulose is the major component of plant cell wall, while chitin is the major component of fungal cell wall. Cell membrane. Sterols are absent in prokaryotic cell membrane, while these sterols are present in eukaryotic cell membrane. Genetic material. Prokaryotic cells are haploid with a single chromosome and contain plasmids as extra chromosomal DNA. This is the genetic material of prokaryotic cell and these are the plasmids. Prokaryotic cell have short-lived unprocessed messenger RNA. Eukaryotic cells have multiple diploid chromosomes and nucleosomes. Eukaryotic cells have relatively long-lived messenger RNA formed from the processing of precursor mRNA, which contains exons and introns. Transcription and translation. Prokaryotes have coupled transcription and translation. It means transcription and translation occur at the same time. Eukaryotes have uncoupled transcription and translation. It means transcription and translation do not occur at the same time. First, transcription occurs within the nucleus, then messenger RNA is transported to the cytoplasm where translation occurs and protein are synthesized. Energy production sites. Electron transport chain located in membranes is energy production site of prokaryotes. Energy production sites of eukaryotes are membrane-bound mitochondria, where Krebs cycle occur. This is the table that showed difference between structures of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. For more information, you can consult these books. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. For complete courses and quizzes of microbiology, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.